नरेंद्र मोदी जरूर मुस्कुराएंगे ये खबर सुनकर। हुर्रियत कॉन्फ्रेंस के प्रमुख मीरवाइज उमर फारूक ने मोदी की तारीफ की है। मीरवाइज उमर फारूक ने कहा है कि एनडीए हर मायने में यूपीए से बेहतर है। उन्होंने वाजपेयी सरकार का हवाला देते हुए कहा कि उनके समय में कश्मीर समस्या के समाधान की कोशिश हुई थी, लेकिन यूपीए ने मौका गंवा दिया। काफी मायने रखता है ये, और कश्मीर के मद्देनजर शायद आने वाले वक्त में बीजेपी भी जमकर इसका इस्तेमाल करती हुई दिखाई। मीरवाइज उमर फारूक ने क्या कहा है, सुनिए।
See, first of all, I mean, obviously it's for the people of India to decide that which party they want to bring into power. But the fact remains that if the BJP, or for that matter the NDA, comes into power, I believe that, you know, they will have to address the issue from a larger perspective. You know, in the sense that although we all know that BJP on the one hand talks about you know, the abolition of Article 370 and all that, but on the other hand, which is very ironical, that it's the same party in whose you know, time of power most of the sort of a peace process was sort of taken forward. Whether we sort of talk about the historical visit of Vajpayee to Pakistan, whether we talk about, you know, his statement that, you know, इंसानियत के दायरे में, you know, कश्मीर का मसला हल हो सकता है, or whether the fact that, you know, he came here and he said about you know, the fact that you know, we have to address issues under the garb of humanity. So I think there is a possibility, definitely, if the new government in India, and if it's the BJP government, if they walk that road which Mr. Vajpayee had taken, there's a possibility that things could move forward.